Hi, this is from A1 Auto. I'm gonna show you today why after you changing your new brake pad, still you have same problem. I'm gonna show you how to properly replace brake pad. Just stay tuned. Look, first of all, you have to open the caliper. This is the nut right here. This nut. Today you pry this caliper. This is the brake pad you're replacing. Take this off. When you open the caliper, let's open the bolt. Bolt not open. Till you open the nut, it's just separate now. Put some bungee cord, something like you can really hang in this caliper right here. This caliper is hanging now. So reason you have a problem, and there's a couple of things you have a problem. You see the this is the guide pin. You see this is so tight. This vehicle, the brake pad is totally new. You see the thickness, but I still have a problem this car because this thing is not moving. This one is supposed to be, see that on the top, it's supposed to be like this. So like when you hit the brake pad is this caliper, the pistons come out and you squeeze the brake pad. When this one pin is working, the other one is not. Then when you release the brake, the one side is releasing, like opening, but this side is still like holding it tight. So that's the reason you have a problem with the brake. So you have to lower key, like you usually the people just open this and put, and they don't even clean this and put this new brake pad. That's it, is go. It's not that way. It's not gonna solve your problem. You have to lubricate this guide pin, caliper guide pin, with the proper silicone. This is the silicone paste. See this? This is a silicone paste. So don't put the grease. See the black? That's a grease. This will dry very fast. That's the reason it's not coming out, because the grease is dry inside. So if you put like a silicone paste, it's not gonna dry. It's stay longer, a lot longer. Another reason is you have to change this every time you change the brake pad. Change the shim. Shim is really so dirty. You need to clean it. Put some brake clean. See this brake clean? Clean it up. So you're not gonna breathe all the dust. start to clean up. Let me do this. Show you how to open there. Usually when you take the pliers like this and hold it like this, let's free up this, and this thing should be come out. See, it's losing now. The reason it was stuck is the grease is dry in here. So clean up with the brake clean. Clean with the rag. After that, I'm gonna put some silicone paste. You see the paste? Some good silicone paste. After this, put it right there. See? Now it's in and out. And now it's good. Sometimes you have the air, just a little bit, open it up and push it back so air can skip out. That's it. Let's do the other one. And there. Clean it. Clean the bottom. Good. There, put some silicone paste as well, right there. Should be good now. Go. There you clean right here. Clean. Now you have to put your shim. This shim is come with the new brake pad. Shim out. It's so easy, just like this. Oh, not yes, right here. Let's push it in. So when you push it in, you make sure you not touching the roller, the shim. Sometimes the touching the roller, that's why you hear like squeezy noise, king. So it's perfectly fitted. After that, it's your brake pad. After that, you put a little bit silicone in here. This should be enough. Don't put too much because it will collect all the dust. So don't put too much. Just a little bit. After you put it in both the brake pad, then if you have this called anti-seize, this is the anti-seize, like anti-seizing. If you have it's good, but if you don't have like a little bit of grease or something, it's right here. It's put like a little bit here and a little bit on the other side, just a little bit, that should be enough right there, just a little bit. And on the other side, let's put a bit right there. After that, the caliper. Caliper piston, just put one of these like brake pad, like old brake pad. Then you need the vice grips. This vice grip is very cheap. You can buy anywhere, like Home Depot. Very cheap, like anywhere you can buy from. It's really cheap. $10 in Harbor Freight. Then press with this. Piston should be go easily, fairly. Yeah, this piston is going very easily. Very. This is good caliper. You see when you're pushing and piston is not binding, it's not going easily. That's when you have a problem with the caliper. You have to replace your caliper or bleed out the caliper. That's a different video I'm gonna make it. This is the new channel, guys, so support me to the more videos so more people can get help. See, this piston is all the way down. Now you can release that. That's it. There. Just release the bungee cord from here. That's it. After that, just tight it up. There's a 2-bolt, one right here and one in the bottom. Then you have to push the brake a couple times after you put it in and top it up your brake fluid. Check the brake fluid is okay. Now put a little bit and just push a couple times the brake until you feel like hard enough. Then that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is I1 Auto. Thank you. If you like the video, consider subscribe and give a thumbs up, please. Thank you.